Hello, everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best pour-over coffee makers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Pour-Over Coffee Maker for Perfect Hand Drip Coffee by Coffee Gator. The build quality on this coffee maker is high, especially considering the price. I also like the large mouth opening, which is big enough for easy cleaning and filling and accommodates ice cubes for cold drinks. More smiles per cup. Baristas agree, pour-over brewing unlocks the full potential of coffee. This drip kit is the easiest way to get there. Prepare your taste buds for a flavor fiesta that will leave you grinning like a possum eating a sweet potato. Get more from your beans. Coffee travels long and far and has the capacity to make you extremely happy. This 27 ounces pour-over coffee dripper with 100% BPA-free carafe means maximum flavor and minimal effort. Save time, hassle, and the planet. Single-use filters are history. They cost money, strip flavor, create waste, and damage the environment. This laser-cut stainless steel mesh filter ensures flavor ends up on your lips, not in the trash. Everything you want, nothing you don't. Forget all those nasty dregs getting into your brew. Prepare your senses for a fragrant, naturally sweeter, coffee house standard brew in your own home. Number 2. Our second best pick is Chemex Pour-Over Glass Coffee Maker Classic Series. If you're buying a Chemex on Amazon, you probably already know why you're buying it. But in case not, here's a bit of a compressed story of my journey through coffee brewing. Bought a Chemex at Crate and Barrel, hand grinder, wrong-sized filters, bad coffee, boiling water, wrong-sized grinds, bad coffee, figuring out grind size, better but still bitter coffee, graduating to plastic Procter Silex electric kettle over pan and spoon, better coffee, still not great but getting better. Travel home for Christmas, break Chemex, order new Chemex from Amazon, coffee quality improving now, 2 years later stop being cheap and buy Buonavita Power Kettle, automatic burr grinder, Hario scale, coffee quality intensifies. Lessons for you: brewing coffee is a journey. I learned a lot over the years through mistakes and trial and error before buying things that made the process much faster, easier, and more consistent. I would recommend that if you're new to pour-over brewing, get a scale and an electric, temperature-controlled, kettle. It will help you understand what affects the taste of the coffee and how you can consistently make an awesome cup. Number 3. Our third best pick is OXO Brew Pour-Over Coffee Maker with Water Tank. Enjoy fresh coffee anywhere with the OXO Good Grips Pour-Over Coffee Maker with Water Tank. Place it on a mug and add a filter with coffee grounds, then pour hot water through this dishwasher-safe dripper for fresh coffee. Drip, pour over. Indeed, any coffee fan should jump on the OXO Good Grips Pour-Over Coffee Maker's combination of low cost and excellent brew quality, but large volume Java drinkers are best served by large automatic appliances from Bonavita and Technivorm. OXO Good Grips Pour-Over Coffee Maker with Water Tank brews fresh coffee anywhere there's hot water. Creates consistent, flavorful cups of pour-over coffee with minimal effort. Auto Drip Tank precisely controls the water flow rate for a consistent, well-balanced brew. There's no need to stand by with a kettle. Water Tank features a precise hole pattern to distribute water evenly over coffee grounds. 2 different hole sizes automatically regulate water distribution for ideal brew time. Measurement markings on tank show exactly how much water to add up to 12 ounce. Pour-over design. Ribbed wall for optimal flow. Lid doubles as a drip tray. Volume markings. 12 ounces capacity. Polypropylene/talc/tritan. Dishwasher safe. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Chemex Pour Over Glass Coffeemaker Classic Series. The 6-cup Classic Series, used together with the scientifically designed, patented Chemex bonded filters, will guarantee that our pour-over brewing process will deliver the perfect cup of coffee, without any sediments or bitter elements. I've had many coffee makers prior to this, many automatic drip makers, a cheap espresso maker, a metal filter over the cup pour-over, but this one takes the cake for the best coffee I've ever had. Nowhere have I ever gone to make better coffee than this Chemex has. It has a very distinctive look that is very decorative. Chemex 6-cup pour-over coffee maker allows you to brew 6 cups of great-tasting coffee. Uses: ground coffee. Allows you to customize brew strength. Easy to use, simply place a Chemex bonded filter in the vessel, add your favorite ground coffee to taste, and pour boiling water. Designed to allow optimal ground coffee flavor extraction with no bitterness or sediment. Sleek, hourglass-shaped vessel made of heat-resistant glass. Decorated with a polished wood collar and leather tie. 6-cup capacity. Coffee can be stored in the refrigerator for reheating without losing its flavor due to the purity of its brewing. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Melitta Pour Over Coffee Cone Brewer and Number 2 Filter Natural Brown Combo Set. The Melitta name has stood for passion and quality for over 100 years. In 1908, Melitta Filters and Drip Coffee were founded by a housewife in Minden, Germany. Melitta Benz was in search of a better way to make a cleaner cup of coffee. So she punched holes in a brass pot and used a piece of paper to create a 2-part filtration system. She put the pot on a cup, filled it with ground coffee and poured in hot water. The coffee filter and drip coffee were born. More than 100 years later, Melitta Benz's innovation remains the precursor to all modern pour-over and drip coffee brewing worldwide. Handcraft a cup of coffee with the time-honored Melitta pour-over method. Cone Coffee Brewer uses number 2 size cone filters. New cone design enables you to see into the cup without lifting to avoid overfilling plastic brew cones designed to fit many size mugs. Micro-fine filter enhancing perforations release coffee's full flavor, while filtering out impurities for a richer tasting cup of coffee. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.